adjusted?
Yes.
All right. Let's go ahead and we'll lay face down first.
Okay.
So it's just a percussive massage tool.
Yeah. Good.
Yeah, percussive massage is helpful because it does an up and down movement,
Yeah.
which kind of sends a shock wave a little bit deeper into the muscle tissues. Kind of helps them to relax. So we do have a little bit of a leaning scapula. What that means is that your serratus anterior is just a little bit weak.
Yeah.
That's this muscle down here.
Yeah, that's
And the way that you actually strengthen that is by resisted arm elevation, bringing your arms out in front of you.
okay.
So something to consider when you're working on your fitness.
Yeah.
Alright, so let's go ahead and we'll scoot down just a bit.
Okay.
Let's scoot. There you go. We're gonna get your hips first. They're not too far off. Right side's just a little bit posterior.
A little bit pain right here, like
On that side?
Yeah, it's like right here on the hip. Yeah.
Okay. I'll give your hip a good tug. Make sure that's moving okay. Sometimes it takes a couple of visits to kind of investigate everything, try a few different things, and
Right.
see what works the best for you. Because not every problem is coming from the same place.
Yeah.
Oh boy, that is way out of place. All right, you're gonna take a deep breath, okay? Breathe out.
Ooh.
All right, that feel okay?
Yes.
All right, got that moving pretty good. We're gonna get this side, okay? Deep breath. Breathe out. All right, let's turn over. Got a lot to move there.
Oh, yes.
Wow, got your neck moving there too.
Yeah. Well, better.
All right, let's straighten out just a little bit. There you go. Oh, just lay your head back. Deep breath. Breathe out. We're just gonna lay your head down. There you go. Try to just lay your head down. The other side. There it is. All right. I'm gonna cross your arms. Lay back. Breathe out. Good. Again. All right. One more time. Awesome. All right. Let's relax your leg. Just let it fall. And give it a little tug, okay?
All right.
And this side. All right. Next, we're gonna lay on your side facing me. Okay, we're gonna bring this knee up. Straighten this out a little bit. Just let let your leg fall. Alright, we're gonna relax your shoulders. And let your body roll forward.
Yep.
Try to imagine you're gonna let your knee touch the floor. There you go. Awesome. Other side. Shoulders. Let those legs just fall down towards the ground. Nice. Alright, let's lay flat on your head, on your back. Okay. We're gonna lift your head up and slip that underneath. There we go. Alright. Just lay back. Just lay back. Try to relax your head.
Okay.
There you go. Okay, one more. Okay.
Okay.
Alright. How'd that feel?
Good.
Good stretch. You feel that in your upper back at all?
Yeah.
You should feel it kind of like between here and here. That's where it's going to give you a big stretch. Okay. And then here is where that lateral tilt is coming from. You feel that?
Yeah.
So this is so tight, it's pulling your head off to the side. Deep breath. Just try to relax. And we'll just stretch. Alright, let's sit up. How's that feel?
Good. Thank you.
Brand
Much
new,
better.
yeah?
Yeah.
Thanks for watching the NinjaPractor YouTube channel. We hope you enjoyed what you saw and learned something valuable. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more valuable content and hit that bell icon to be notified when we upload a new video. Don't forget to also follow us on our other social media accounts like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, where we post even more tips and tricks to help you live a healthier life. Don't forget to check out our online store where you can find thousands of health and fitness products recommended by Dr. Matt. See you on our next episode.